Good morning. Introduction to Linux. Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore Linux, what it is used for, and how to install it using VMware. Let's get started. What is Linux? Linux is an open-source operating system based on Unix. It was created in 1991 by Linus Torvalds and has become one of the most widely used systems in the world. Unlike Windows and Mac OS, Linux is free and available in many different versions, known as distributions, or distros, such as Ubuntu, Fedora, and Debian. What is Linux used for? Linux is used in many different areas, including servers and networking. Most web servers run on Linux. Software development. Developers use Linux for coding and testing. Cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Many hacking tools work best on Linux. Why choose Linux? There are many reasons to use Linux, such as it's free and open source. You don't need to pay for it. It's stable and secure, less vulnerable to viruses and malware. How to install Linux? To install Linux, we will use a virtual machine with VMware Workstation Player. Here are the steps. Download a Linux distribution. I will use Ubuntu. Download and install VMware Workstation Player. This allows us to run Linux inside Windows. Create a new virtual machine. Configure it with enough RAM, CPU. First, go to Google, search for VMware Workstation Player, download it from the official website. I've already downloaded it, so if you haven't yet, please do so now. If you click on Download, you will see easy steps to follow on your own. Don't worry about it. Once you download it, open VMware Workstation and take a look. Make sure your VMware is updated and you have the latest version. Please, if you have the old version, update it. Now, we can start the new machine, but we'll cover that in the next video. Don't worry about it today. This video is just to make sure you understand what Linux is. In the upcoming videos, we'll explain everything step by step. For now, we discussed what Linux is and why it is important, how Linux is used in different fields, how to install Linux using VMware. In the next video, we will explore basic Linux commands to help you get started. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more Linux tutorials. Don't forget to like and comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.